Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. You got a blow through.
Yeah.
All right. Could you tell me your name and build first?
Brad. Yeah, got a couple XFLs on some Hyphonics.
What is your box specs? You know, the tuning and all of that?
It's tuned to about 32 hertz or so.
Okay.
So,
Have you metered it?
yeah, last time I measured it, it was a 148.5.
Nice.
So,
Okay. Yep.
yeah.
Did you build this? Nice work, man. I like the glass and all of that inside of it. It looks really good with the LEDs when you turn them on. I like that. Wow.
It kind of makes it look like there's 4.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. So is it a 6th order then?
6 order.
Yeah. Do you know the tunings on it?
32, 33 hertz or so.
Okay. Nice.
I just kind of threw them together a couple years ago.
Okay. And what size was the amp?
It's a 3K Hyphonics British.
Yep. All right. Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Brad.
Brad. Jacob.
All right.
Thank you for the demo, man.
Not a problem.
All right, man. You have a good day.
You too.
All right. you build this? Nice work, man. I like the glass and all of that inside of it. It looks really good with the LEDs when you turn them on. I like that. Wow.
It kind of makes it look like there's.
They don't understand $1 million pussy might pounce on that ass. Throw them hundreds till I lose counts on that ass. Max out all of them accounts on that ass. $1 million checks don't.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.